Hi YouTube! This is our last video of 2023. We are thrilled that this year we created over 150 garden videos just for you.
And if you're up for more, we'll keep filming for you in 2024.
This year we got to plant with you, we launched a sub box together, we grew with you, harvested with you, and even filmed with some of you.
Yep, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your gardens and your lives.
We hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your friends and family. We have a lot of new, fun, exciting things planned for 2024. We're looking forward to it. We'll see you next year. This is our last video of 2023.
Thank you so much for letting us be a part of your gardens and your lives. Happy holidays.
Oh yeah.
Count it in.
3, 2, 1, action. We hope you have a happy holidays with your friends and family, and we are super excited to be action. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your friends and family. 3, 2, full season. 3, 2. We hope you have a wonderful season. 3, 2, creating and bringing you some fun, new, exciting things in 20. We have a lot of new, fun, exciting things planned for 2024. We'll see you
next year.
Fun, exciting things planned for 2024. We're looking forward to it. We'll see
you
you next
year.